Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the anime coloring edit tutorial on CapCut PC. So here I've already added an anime video and I'm going to just start by clicking on the video and go to the adjustment tab at the top, this one, or you can also do this one. And after that, set the brightness. So scroll down until you find adjustment and then set the brightness into -13 like this, and then the contrast into 22, saturation 10, and then exposure okay, so skip on that and then go to the sharpen and set it into 100 and highlight 20. So it'll go like this. And that's all for me. That is how you can do the coloring for your anime video in CapCut PC. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.